है दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर हैविंग ग्रेट टाइम and I know that some conflict is going on Middle East, but it will be fine, I hopefully. So friend, right now I am outside of my apartment and see, this is the building where I live, and along with this a restaurant Sajana. This is the western restaurant, and sometime I have my breakfast here. But so friend, today I am going to try something different, and I will be blogging in public area, and right now I am heading to the market. So let's try this practice. Could I just want to improve my confidence while blogging in public. So as you can see around me, there are hardly someone, there are few people, almost no one here. So that's why I'm recording myself and speaking a bit of confidence. So let's do this same practice in crowded area. Let's go to the market and let's see how this goes, this blogging. And just so friend, literally I really like this city, and what is the most important things I like, see this layout of the roads. This is a sidewalk, and this both are bicycle lane, and you see this is the over here main road. So you can see around here this is all standing boards. सच में यार ये थोड़ा सा फील अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज़ अ लिटरली गुड थिंग्स. बाय द वे आई हैव ट्राइड दिस practice before, and literally that time I was super nervous, and actually I couldn't even hold my phone like this. It was a super challenging for me. So but I did overcome my this fairness. So friend, this is the Gamma, and let's go inside, and let's buy some fruits. And I don't know why there are very few people. Today is any holiday, I think, so that's why there is no one, and very few people visiting here, walking here only. So sometime I thought that it would be very difficult, but it's not difficult if you try your best, and it gradually you will improve, and you will be blogging. And let's go to the market inside. And by the way, this Gamma is so expensive items, but I sometimes I buy only a small shop. Sometime I come in this supermarket. There is a mango, this is a 550. This is a raw, I think so, the raw papa mango. It's not over rip, is okay, I think so that. How much please? 2, 2, 4, 5. Okay, that's fine, I think so, that's fine. Let's buy this one. And blogging is not easy, seriously, in public it's very difficult. Well, I think so that, but it will be fine after that. There is avocado, that one avocado. Oh, this is under it. Friend, if you're wondering about that, what is the 10 cent, 10 cent, 12 ringgit, 90 cent is there is apple, but it will be, I will tell you, 1 ringgit is equal to 23 rupees in India money right now. And if you convert this apple, in Indian rupees, this is the 90s, it would be to 1090 equal to 23. It would be approximately 230. It means 230 रुपये का आपको इंडिया में एप्पल कितने हो, 10 पीस. फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ अ फ्रोज़न मीट्स. They are all frozen meats. There are some liquors, frozen chapatis here. There is all sweet and chicken also inside, frank chickens and something. There is juices items. So and this section, this alliance is so this is only grocery item in this side. Let's buy this one and one mango. This is Thailand. That one is a Thailand mango. I think there is a right, and this one is good. I think so. Let's try this one. First time I having a Thailand mango. Let's see how it goes. This experience. Yes, sir. This is a packing section. There is all stuff you bring, and that will be packed there here, and weight also. You can see there is a cost also they printed. Yes, thank you. So I have to bill ahead. There is a counter. So this is a supermarket rules. This is a easy, super easy.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I just want to tell you one thing. So when you just started blogging, when you speak, try to speak in public, your mind is goes blank. Seriously, first it's super challenging for beginner. So friend, I just want to share with you one thing. I just read somewhere that quotes. Someone has truly said that birds are not taught how to fly. You know, birds are not taught how to fly. They themselves cover the distance to sky. The ones who has the courage to touch the sky, they don't care about being fallen to die. This quote is most powerful. Seriously, when you're thinking about being fed, you will never will be succeed. You have to you don't have to think about being failed. You have to just practice and try your best. You will be succeed. So I am doing, you can do it too guys, and let's do, and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.